The last thing to know about fertilizers is that they need to be used responsibly. Fertilizers have allowed the human population to grow rapidly because of much cheaper food. But the fertilizers used on fields need to be used responsibly and with restraint. They increase the production of food and allow crops to grow, but these nutrients can damage the environment badly. When the rain falls on the fields filled with fertilizer, the water containing the nutrients drains into underground water. From there, it makes its way into rivers, streams, and lakes. Not only are some of the chemicals used in fertilizers toxic, but they add nutrients to the delicate ecosystems there. A process called eutrophication is responsible for massive environmental damage. The nutrients from fields causes uncontrolled growth of algae in the water. Eventually, the growth is so severe that it blocks the sunlight entering the water. Once the sunlight is blocked, the algae at the bottom of the water system dies and begins to rot and decompose. This decomposition uses all the available oxygen in the river system. Animals and fish in the water also die, and the entire ecosystem can collapse in severe cases. Massive die-offs in the sea are known as red tides, called this because of the red bacteria and algae mixture that comes from the decomposition process. The mixture is highly toxic, and often fish that are mixed up in the red tide wash up on the shore, presenting a danger to people and animals that eat them. Fertilizers need to be used responsibly and not simply used to boost crop growth. Water runoff must be monitored and fertilizer carefully applied. Many farmers have started to experiment with different forms of fertilizer from natural sources such as manure. Organic fertilizers are more expensive, but have the distinct advantage of not harming the environment when applied properly. They also increase the number of soil micronutrients and are largely non-toxic to handle. Besides cost, it is also very difficult to move the bulky fertilizers to fields as they are much bulkier than their chemical counterparts.